friend, welcome back to an amazing video. My name is Chidera and today we're talking about gratitude. Gratitude, I think from the dictionary. Gratitude is the quality of being thankful, the readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. So today is actually going to be from the Bible, Luke chapter 7 from verse 11 to 19. It talks about the 10 lepers that had leprosy. When a person is called leper, that person has leprosy. And in this their situation, they met Jesus Christ and he healed them. Now after healing them, guess what happened? In the people that were healed, 9 did not come back. Only 1 returned to say thank you. It's not because Jesus Christ could not have said, no, I'm not healing them. At that moment, that was the right thing to do. But then why didn't they come back? Many a times, people have done amazing things for us, and we looked at it like, what's that? It's just that. So, are you the first to help me? Should I say thank you because you helped me? No. Even when a child gives you a cup of water, say thank you. Even when your junior does something for you, say thank you. Show gratitude. It is important that you are grateful. If you are not grateful, you wouldn't know what is up. You will just accept things the way they are, and then you get yourself into massive issues. It is important that you are grateful at every point in time. Show gratitude at everywhere you find yourself. For anything done for you, even by the least person that is around you, please show gratitude. Say thank you. Let it be seen that you appreciate what was done for you. It is important. Being thankful is actually one of the simplest things to be done. Being thankful is one of the simplest things to be done. If you're not thankful about something, you wouldn't know what exactly is happening. You wouldn't even know when other doors will be open for you. I am a beneficiary of gratitude. To an extent, I told somebody thank you like 30 times. I think the person was counting. In fact, when I did my first event planning job, I kept saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Even for money that was not for me, money that was for a vendor, I was saying thank you. I kept on thanking the groom and the bride that were sending money. And I believe that opened more doors for me. So be grateful. Hey dear, be grateful. You need to be grateful. You need to tell people thank you. When you get to a restaurant and the waitress serves you or the server serves you, whichever one they are being called, tell the person thank you. Yes, the person is being paid to serve you, but say thank you for serving. Whether the person is rude or kind, say thank you for serving. It is important you thank the person who is serving you. Your driver. You see, there is a story I heard. They said you are closest to your death in the hands of 3 people. 1, your cook. 2, your driver. 3, your cleaner. These 3, any of them could plan your death if they want to. So I don't think there's a reason for you to treat them like they are less than human, or that they are not worth breathing the air that you breathe, or walking on the platform that you walk on. Treat them with love. Treat them with care. It is important. And tell them thank you when they render a service. When they do it wrong, instead of raising words over them like, you stupid, idiot, buffoon, good for nothing driver, you are so downcasted, frustrated, you are... I don't even know the words to say, but you get what I mean. Being negative to your artisans is not worth it. Being negative to those serving you is not nice. Please be kind to people around you. Be kind with your words. Be kind in your action. When they do things for you, say thank you. Thank you opens doors. Gratitude opens doors. Doors that you will least expect, it opens them. So be grateful for when they do things for you. Even whether you ask them to do it or you don't ask them. Your son comes in and you ask him to go and park the car, and then he parks the car and he returns your key. Tell him thank you. Nigerian parents, come forward. Tell him thank you. I know that Nigerian parents could be, African parents could be so upheld. But I believe that stereotype is changing. I believe that they are beginning to change their mentality on this. Please, African parents, say thank you when your children then do things for you. Tell them thank you. Let them know that you actually appreciate them. If your child feels that you don't appreciate him or her, the child would not want to do more things. I bet you. When your child feels like you don't regard what he or she is doing, they will want to do more for you. Show them that you care. Show them that you appreciate them. It's important. It gives them a willing heart to do more. There is an Igbo proverb that says, this means when you praise a king for what the king has done, the king will not even know when you say, take more. This one you have praised me for, take more. It is important that we live right. It is important we do the right thing. It is important that we act right. And gratitude is one thing you should put in place. I don't know about you, but for me, I will constantly live a life of gratitude. I will tell every Dick, Tom, and Harry thank you. I will tell everyone around me thank you. I will thank my driver, my cook, my cleaner. I will thank them because your life is actually practically in another person's hands if you're not careful. Yeah, I know that thank you might not stop evil from happening, but then thank you protects you, opens doors. Even for the worst men ever, thank you preserves. Thank you protects. Thank you creates a ripple effect for more good things to happen. Today, be grateful. Today, show that act of kindness. Show that act of appreciation for what was done to you and for you. So please, if you know you enjoyed this video, do well to watch any of my other videos on this channel, and please like and subscribe. Please, it's important. I'm begging. Thank you.